Hey everybody, it's coming to my attention that some people are having some issues with figuring out how to upload Word, how to or how to open Word, how to get access to it, how to add things into it, how to upload it to our assignments, all of that. And what I want to do is kind of show you a quick way how to get in and what to do. Now, if you're on Windows 10, Windows 11, using a Mac, doesn't matter. Most computers, even if you're using a Chromebook, most computers have like a start button that they can click on and use, or a button with like a launch button or something that shows where all your apps are. You're going to click on that and go up to search and type in Word. Now, here I got Word. I'm going to click on it and it's going to open up. Let me move this over. Let's move that other window. Here it is. You're going to open up it's going to open up to this page right here. It's got all recent documents, pinned documents, shared documents. At the very top, it's got some templates. If you just want a blank document, okay, because we're gonna write on this and send this to our teacher. So we're gonna click on blank document. It's gonna open up, and here we have our um, our Word document. Now, first things first, we want to insert. Let's say we want to insert some pictures. So we can start writing whatever. But let's say we want to insert some pictures right next to that writing or underneath that writing. We're going to go to insert, and we're going to go to. I'm gonna have to make it a little bit bigger because it's there. It is. I'll make it a little bit bigger for it'll show. And just in case you do it, and you're like, I don't see pictures. Try to make your window a little bit bigger. Go up, click pictures, and you have three different options to choose from. You have this device, which is what we're going to be using because that's where we took our. If you're taking your photos, that's where your photos should be. Online photos, where you could look up and find them online. Um, or stock images, which are basically just some stock images built into the computer that came with Microsoft Office. But the main ones you're going to use are going to be this device and online pictures. So I'm going to go this device because that means that's the computer I'm using. And I'm going to go to, on the side, you should see desktop, documents, downloads. I'm going to go down to pictures because that's where my pictures are. Oh, look, there you go. There's a picture of me from college. I'm going to click that and I'm going to insert that photo into my document. Look, and I can grab it right here, that the little thing on the side, and resize it, make it as big or small as I want. All right. And then I can write out something to this beside it or below it. Okay. Now, if I wanted to add something else, I could go back into insert and I could do it again. Let's say I'm going to this device. Let's say I want to insert more than one photo at a time. Go to my pictures. And let's say I want to insert that plus three of these topographic maps. So I'm going to hold down Control on your keyboard. That's the one at the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard if you're using a Windows computer. Click Control. I'm going to type on Picture 1, Picture 2. I'm going to pick up on these three pictures right here. I'm going to click Insert. And look, it inserted all three of them at the same time. Now, let's say I want to go over and I want to finish my writing, want to add something, press, you know, number, like if you number something and you start writing, it will actually do a list for you. So that's just something that you can keep up for later. And notice that oh, it didn't fit. It didn't quite 100% fit in here. So I can see what I can do to shuffle it around, move things around. I can resize stuff to get it to fit. All right. Just something that you have to play with. Okay, now let's say I'm ready to turn this in. Okay, I'm gonna go to File. So let me go back to this very top, File, and I'm gonna click Save As. Why am I gonna click Save As? Well, because I want to tell it where I want it to save. I want to tell it what I wanted to label it as. I may not want to save it to where it's generically, so I wouldn't have to hunt and go find it. I want to save it to my desktop because that's going to be easy to find. If I need to look on something and if I need to find it, I know it's on my desktop. I'm working with it. I can get to it. So it's on there. Now we're going to go to the top. Let's say my assignment number was 1.05. Okay. Well, it has a decimal in the name of the assignment. Decimals are usually used, like little points on there, are usually used for extensions. So I'm not going to put any decimal points or dashes or forward slashes in my name. I'm just going to keep it all text or all all text and numbers. So I'm just going to call it 105 photography or 105 photo. So it's easy to find. Okay. Now I'm going to save it, and it's going to be saved on my desktop. Now let's say I'm ready to go and upload this. Let's see if I can get to my there, 1.05. I've opened up this document and I'm ready to upload. So, I mean, this assignment. Now I'm going to click on, I'm going to scroll down and click on upload. And remember where I saved it? I saved it to my desktop. So look at ours already open to my desktop. But if I wasn't sure, on this left side, there's desktop. This PC desktop is right below this PC. And there it is. Look, 1.05 photo.doc. And I'm going to click open and it's going to upload it. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to go down and click submit, and then it's going to submit, and then I'm going to be done. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you got any questions about this, let me know. Send me, shoot me an email or something, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. All right, everybody. That's all. Bye.